Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remaster songs in Suno AI. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to suno.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. And now you can just simply go to the create over here on the left side and you will have here your workspace. So now here you should be able to see all of your songs, guys. So now from here, in order for you to remaster a specific song or to edit it out, you just simply right click on it. And from here, you will have multiple options. So you could just simply go ahead and go for song editor over here. So click on it. And from here, you will have the song editor tab. So from here, you will have replace section category, which you could replace the lyrics, the styles, and the exclude styles. And you will have the extend as well, which you can extend the music. And you will have crop, remove, or fade out. So pretty much here you will have the editing tools. And now guys, to enable the editing tools, you have to subscribe to their pro plan. So from here guys, as you can see, it will be $8 per month, or you could go for a monthly billing, which is 10. And down below you should be able to see here the features that it is together with the pro plan. And I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.